Sophie, and now our player of the game is with Denise.
Right here beside me is our best player of the game, setter and guest player of Adamson, Miss Joanna Bator Carpio. Hi, Ate Joanne. So, first, congrats. And gano'ng kalaking adjustment yung ginawa nyo, or ginawa mo, since less than a week ago, sa stand ka tumatalon, and it's your first time na maglaro for Adamson?
After nung pagdating namin, nag-practice agad ako. So, sabi ko sa kanila, mag-adjust pareho kami kasi first, yun nga, sa buhangin ako nag-ensayo, tapos hindi ako nagtutos. So, yun, sa mga sunod na practice naman, nakapag-adjust naman. Pagkatapos nung laro namin sa FPU.
And yan, and since you're best player of the game, let me call on our Shakers representative to give her a gift. And baka gusto mong bumate or invite yung mga nanonood sa atin?
Sa una na, watch kayo ng Shakers League dahil malapit na yung finals, semi-finals. Binabati ko yung mga taga Cavite at saka Bulacan. Ayun, yung mga ka-teammates ko sa Adamson.
That's our best player of the game. Back to you guys.